How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the Faulks Tech YouTube channel. I'm very happy to announce that Google and I have partnered. They sent me their test demo unit for the Google Home Emo. We're going to plug it in a moment, and I'm going to ask it a few questions. And the way they designed this is top-notch emo responses. No matter what I say to it, it will respond in an emo. It'll have an emo response. It is amazing. I love this thing. Let's jump right over and test it out. Alright guys, we're right here in front of this Google Home Emo. I'm very excited about this. I've been waiting for this for a long time. Google and I have been in talks about this for quite a while, and I just love the responses this thing gives. If I could go and rate it, or even share it with you guys, I would. It is amazing. So, without further ado, let's do it. Are you guys ready? I'm going to guess you are. This thing is amazing. Okay, Google. Watch this, guys. Watch this. How's the weather?
That feeling when you're not necessarily sad, but you just feel really empty.
Oh, man, I love it. That hits me to the core. Hurts my heart. All right, let's try asking about the temperature outside. It's kind of similar to the first question. Let's do it. Oh, man, here we go. Okay, Google. What's the temperature outside?
Who do you turn to when the only person in the world that can stop you from crying is exactly the one making you cry?
Oh, man, the feels. Oh, man. Okay, I'm trying not to cry or paint my eyelashes right now, eyebrows, whatever it is. Let's ask the next question. Okay, Google. Can you tell me the day?
A year ago, I would have never pictured my life the way it is now.
Oh, man. Wow. Okay. People love songs, right? Especially when they're feeling this sad. Let's go and ask Google about songs. Okay, Google. Can you sing me a song?
Emotionally, I'm done. Mentally, I'm drained. Spiritually, I'm dead. Physically, I smile.
Wow. That's deep. I really am happy that Google sent me this device. I absolutely love it. Let me focus on it a little more. My hands are shaking. I'm so emotional right now. This is amazing. What about poems? Okay, Google. Can you tell me a poem?
Sick of crying, tired of trying. Yes, I'm smiling, but inside I'm dying.
Oh, okay. Oh, phone. Oh. Sorry, guys. This is just me trying to be a professional YouTuber right now. Trying to be over dramatic about this really nice device that Google has sent me. Okay, Google. How are you today?
Everyone has that one friend, always the first choice. I get an empty feeling in my chest when I realize I'm not that friend to anyone.
Oh, wow. Okay. I guess when you're in this type of mood, everyone loves cooking, right? Right, Google? Okay. Okay, Google. Start cooking.
I don't know what I feel anymore.
What? Okay. So what I like to do when I have friends like this or in this mood, I don't have any friends, but I like to tell them that I'm here for them. So let's do that. Let's tell Google that we're here for them. We're here for it, her, whoever this device is. Okay, Google. I just wanted to let you know that I'm here for you.
If I could go back to the day we met, I'm sorry, but I'd turn around and walk the other way.
That's it, guys. That was the Google Home Mini Emo Edition. Google, I know you're watching this. I know you are. You sent this device to me. I'm really appreciative of this device. I think you guys went a little too deep. I'm feeling it right here, right in the core. But I really appreciate you guys sending me this nice test device. I'm going to show you guys this device again. It looks just like the Google Home Mini. It is a Google Home Mini, but it's been preloaded with special power by Google, the Google Home Emo. It's amazing. I would recommend this to anyone. If you guys are feeling happy, you want to feel sad. If you guys are feeling nothing, you want to feel something, Go with the Google Home Emo Edition. That's what you want. I don't know when they're going to be in stores, guys, but what I do know is this device is awesome. I will, as soon as I do go in stores, I'll let you know. I heard that they have a Google Home Teen Edition, Google Home Angry Dad Edition, Google Home Pregnant Mom Edition. They're coming out with tons of editions. They only sent me the emo one, but I'm sure that in the coming months, we're going to be seeing much more of these flavors of Google Home Mini. Guys, I want to thank you all for watching. Sorry, I'm still upset about the responses that guy was giving me. It's amazing. It touches me to the soul. We all need to care for an emo person. If you or a loved one know an emo person, please help them now. Go ahead and shave their hair. Make sure they don't dye it black. Take away the eyeshadow. That's a really big thing that it really adds to the sadness. The black, yeah. But guys, that's not what this video is about. This video is about the Google Home Emo Edition. It'll be in stores soon. I don't know when. Stay tuned for more videos. Hope you guys enjoyed this April Fool's. See you guys next time. Goodbye.